Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, May 31st, and I have another fun Christmas collection to share with you. And then I want to remind you that Row by Row starts tomorrow, so I'll show you our rows once again. This is called Wonderful Christmastime. Celebrate the season the old-fashioned way. Mix and match nostalgic holiday motifs that never go out of style. A 36-inch tree panel, vintage holiday cards, snow globes, and more are rendered in traditional classic style to keep a treasured keepsake. And then this one is the Checking It Twice panel. Santa Claus has arrived, beautifully rendered and richly colored. A 36-inch picture panel sets the stage for this traditional take on everyone's favorite night of the year. And this is by Marcello Conti for QT Fabrics. I'm thinking if you're a grandparent and you're going to make this, wouldn't it be fun to embroider the names of your grandkids on there? That would be so fun. So, and then these are the fabrics that go with those two panels. Christmas cards. I don't get as many Christmas cards as I used to.
I'll send you one.
Okay, Susan and I are going to send each other cards. If you'd like to send us cards, you can send them via the shop. I doubt you'll remember that between now and Christmas, but maybe, you never know. And then, switching gears from Christmas to summer, the Row by Row experience begins tomorrow. Row by Row experience is a, I think, 11, 12-year-old program where shops put together a row pattern. This is our row pattern. We're calling it Year of the Fox. And then you can go to any participating shop and pick up a free pattern anytime between June 1st and August 31st. You use the free patterns to put together a quilt. The first person to bring a quilt into each shop with 8 different row patterns in it wins a 15 fat quarter bundle. So this is our row. The theme this year is Sow a Season, so I'm calling it Year of the Fox because we have the spring fox, and then summer, and then fall, and then winter. I purposely tried to make this more modern and easier, simpler to do. So each block has about 4 to 5 pieces in it total. So this is great for a beginning applicator. If you haven't done a lot of applique, this is a great way to get your feet wet. And of course you can do it long ways or tall ways. If you have a long skinny spot in your house and you love foxes like our family does, you may want to do it that way. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you have a terrific weekend. If you have not subscribed to our newsletter, you need to do that. And the way you can do that is go to our website on the homepage, slide all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom on the right is a spot for you to enter your name, because we have a newsletter coming out this afternoon. A little birdie told me that there may be a sale starting soon, so you don't want to miss out, and it may start tomorrow. Have a great afternoon, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.